seek safety and avoid danger. This has been ingrained in us through hundreds of thousands of years of evolution. Our primitive ancestors didn't walk by a rustling bush and analyze the probability of it being a saber-toothed tiger. They just ran. When we experience danger, real or perceived, it is natural to want to salvage what you can and avoid it going forward. This totally normal human instinct is why individual investors, on average, do poorly compared to the asset classes they invest in. Author Nick Murray said, "Human nature cannot distinguish between temporary declines and permanent losses. That is, it can't tell the difference between genuine risk and mere volatility." This is why we believe it is important to have a financial advisor you trust. Someone to walk the path alongside you and remind you that saber-toothed tigers are extinct.